Hi, may I speak with Lisa Patel? This is Amanda from Riverside Family Medicine, calling about your upcoming appointment with Dr. Morrison.
Hi, Amanda. Yes, this is Lisa. Is everything okay with my appointment?
Everything is great. I'm just calling to collect some intake information ahead of time so your visit goes smoothly. It should only take a few minutes. Is now a good time?
Sure, that works. Go ahead.
Perfect. Let me confirm some basics. Your date of birth?
March 15th, 1988, and my phone number is 555-0147 if you need to update that.
Thank you, Lisa. And your insurance, are you still with Blue Cross Blue Shield?
Yes, Blue Cross Blue Shield PPO. My member ID is BCB-7742901.
Great. Now, can you tell me what's bringing you in to see Dr. Morrison?
I've been having these persistent headaches for about 3 weeks now. They're mostly behind my eyes and at the temples. They come on in the afternoon, and sometimes they're bad enough that I can't focus on work. I've also been feeling more tired than usual.
I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really uncomfortable. Have you had any similar issues in the past?
I had migraines in college, but they went away. I haven't had anything like this in years. I also had my appendix removed in 2019, and I was diagnosed with mild anemia about 2 years ago.
Thank you for sharing that. Are you currently taking any medications?
I take iron supplements, 325 milligrams once a day for the anemia. And I take birth control, Yaz. I've been taking Advil for the headaches, but it's only helping a little.
Got it. And this is important, Lisa. Do you have any allergies to medications or anything else we should know about?
Yes, I'm allergic to sulfa drugs. I had a pretty bad reaction to Bactrim a few years ago, hives and swelling. And I have a mild latex allergy. I just get a rash from latex gloves.
Thank you. We'll make sure that's flagged prominently in your chart. One last thing. Can you give me an emergency contact?
Sure, that would be my husband, Raj Patel. His number is 555-0183.
Perfect. Lisa, you're all set. Your appointment is this Thursday at 2:30 p.m. with Dr. Morrison. Please arrive about 10 minutes early to complete any remaining paperwork. And if your headaches get significantly worse before then, don't hesitate to call us.
Thank you so much, Amanda. I appreciate you doing this ahead of time. See you Thursday.